September's here. Wondering what to plant right now? Stick with me. TN Nursery YouTube channel has your fall garden prep covered. Today's blog is entitled Seasonal Garden Prep Guides for the month of September. In this post, we'll share the best plants to grow this September, from fruit trees to pollinator favorites, so you can give your garden a head start this fall season. September is the perfect time to plant for cooler days ahead. Here are 4 TN Nursery favorites to grow now for a thriving garden next season. Pawpaw Tree, a unique native tree that produces creamy, tropical-tasting fruit and establishes best when planted in fall. Persimmon Tree, a hardy tree that's ideal for autumn planting, offering sweet fruit for you and a food source for wildlife. Milkweed, butterfly milkweed, a pollinator powerhouse that supports monarch migration and sets up beautifully when planted in September. Coneflower plant, a resilient perennial that loves fall planting and rewards you with bold, colorful blooms the following spring. September planting means spring success. This is the month to set your garden up for next year's beauty. That's your September garden prep guide. Click the link in the description to shop Pawpaw, Persimmon, Milkweed, and Coneflowers direct from TN Nursery. Comment below which plant you want featured next. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more month-by-month planting tips. Thanks for watching.